Hey there, traveler. This is Brother Akers, and I want to share something with you that's very exciting. We have created a resource that is designed to help you travel with us through history. We're going to be visiting amazing places and retelling the powerful stories of men and women and children just like you who saw God's hand in action through their experiences. You can find us on YouTube and Facebook at Beyond Frontiers Productions. There's a lot of important lessons we can learn through studying history. But this isn't just about powdered wigs and old buildings. No, this is about you, because history isn't trapped in the past. It's alive, it's speaking, and if you listen closely, you just might hear the voice of God echoing through the stories of ordinary people who did extraordinary things. So here's the invitation. Join me on this journey through time. We'll meet blacksmiths and Blackbeard, soldiers and spies, preachers and pirates, kings and knights and knaves. We'll uncover their struggles, their faith, their failures, and what they can teach us. Because this isn't just history, it's His story. It's God's story in action, and it's full of adventure, truth, and triumph. If you're ready, climb aboard. We're headed somewhere real, somewhere that matters. This is more than just a carriage ride. It's a journey that could shape the way you view the world and your place in it. So come on, let's go. But first, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell, because I know you're going to want to see and hear the amazing adventures that we're going to share with you.